Hi, welcome all of you to this new lecture series. The subject is control system. This video is the introductory video of this lecture series. Here I will talk mainly about three things. What are the prerequisites of this lecture series? That is, what prior knowledge you should have before taking this course. What are the topics that will be covered in this series and the outcome of the course. Talking about prerequisites, mainly two subjects will help you. One is math, a very basic level, and signals and systems. Also, very basic level. I will elaborate the 2 points. In math, what you need is in math, if you've done basic calculus, differential equation, and linear algebra, that will be enough for this course. Apart from that, there is another thing, that is Laplace transform. If you have done this, then it is okay, and if you haven't done this, then there is no problem. I will review this concept as and when needed. Apart from math, uh, a basic knowledge of signals and systems will help you. Basic knowledge means the very basic three kind of signals, that is unit impulse, sorry, unit step, and unit ramp. I'll talk about these kind of signals. If you have no idea about signals and systems, then don't worry, I will talk about this whenever needed. Okay, so this is the prerequisite. There is nothing much. Next comes outcome. What are the outcome of this course? What you can expect after having this course? After having this course, you can take any advanced level course in control system, and I can assure you will not face any problem in the basics. It will strengthen your basics. If you have learned this control system subject, then you strengthen your basics further, and if you haven't learned control system, then you will develop a strong basics from this subject. And talking about some people asks actually about competitive exam. Conceptually, you shouldn't have any problem faced in GATE or ESE. So this will be good actually. Now let's discuss about topics. What topics that will be covered. Okay. So I will be listing down all the name of the chapters first. Okay. So these are the main chapters. In basic, I will cover block diagram, transfer function, okay, and signal flow graph, various kind of control elements, open loop control system, closed loop control system, all that kind of things will be covered in basics. And in time domain analysis, I will cover time domain specifications, time domain specifications. Apart from that, steady state errors and all that. Steady state errors, transient response, of first order, second order, etc. Okay. In stability analysis, in this portion, we will first learn route array and then root locus. Okay. Obviously, there are other techniques of analysis, stability analysis, but before jumping into that, we need frequency domain analysis. So the next chapter will be frequency domain analysis. In frequency domain analysis, we will study frequency domain specifications, frequency domain specifications, okay, gain margin, phase margin, bandwidth, resonance, etc. And then we will talk stability in frequency domain. These are mainly three things: Bode plot, polar plot, and Nyquist criteria. Okay, all these things will be in transfer function domain. Okay, and compensator also. After that, we will jump to state space analysis. In state space analysis, we will deal with the system with this kind of uh, mathematical modeling. Okay, we will learn about state vector, input vector, output vector, etc., and then controllability, observability, and all that. So that will be state space. And in compensator, we will learn lead compensator, lag compensator, lead lag, or lag lead, whatever you want to call it, and a very basics of filters. Okay, so this is the syllabus, and I've already talked about the prerequisites and outcome, all the concepts that are needed in the BTech level that will be covered in this lecture series. So thank you, goodbye, see you in the next lecture.